Section 3, Creation and Setting Up of QuickBooks. Earlier, before we say that we shall be looking at QuickBooks Online, which will be our main focus for this tutorial series. And in this section, we shall see how we can create and set up our QuickBooks. So what do we need when we want to create and set up our QuickBooks? We only need a browser and internet. So now I am going to open my browser and type. So once this browser has opened, we shall click on this link and open it in a new tab and wait for it to load. As you can see, that there are over 7 million customers all over the world, and we saw in our previous video that QuickBooks avails you with different plans according to the nature of your business, and we're also going to see that. And all the QuickBooks plans are all at a cost, and right now it's running at a discount of 50%. So these plans comprise of a simple start, essential, plus, and advanced. All these plans come at a cost. However, if you're unable to purchase the plans to help you record your transactions, you can come and you will come and start a 30-day free trial. And the advantage with this 30-day free trial that even if you are done using the trial days, your work will still remain there for as long as you're able to come back and utilize QuickBooks. The aim is that you want to start a 30-day free trial to be able to familiarize with QuickBooks, to understand how the software works, and to see if you are able to actually use it at the quickest way possible. So all these plans have different features, as you can see. The advanced having the most features because it's used by really big organizations and companies. So the features of our simple start is tracking income and expenses, sending unlimited custom invoices and quotes, connecting your bank, tracking VAT, insights and reports, capturing and organizing receipts, progress invoicing, and it's normally for one user plus your accountant. However, the essential plan has extra features like managing bills and payments, tracking employee time, multi currency, and it's for three users plus your accountant. As you look at all these plans, their features keep on increasing according to the nature of your business. So, if you're having a business, you can come and pick one of these plans according to the nature of your business or according to what you would like to use in regards to recording your routine activities and your transactions. So maybe we can use the free trial over 30 days for the plus, and then you come to continue, and that way it will lead us to setting up our QuickBooks Online. So as we wait for it to load, you can see some of the features that it has here, like tracking incomes and expenses, sending unlimited custom invoices and quotes, and very many other features, as you will see when you continue with your work. So here you come and indicate your email address that you have. So it will be step by step as you as you continue with your QuickBooks. So it will be MJP 1. So you set a password. That's why you're able to start a 30-day free trial. So once your QuickBooks has been able to set, though it took quite some time, you can now get started with your QuickBooks and you're able to set up your account. So you go to get started. It will ask you certain questions that you need to answer. Your business name or your own name if you're joining QuickBooks for personal use. For starters, what is your business called? So we shall just put MJP. Accounting. Can just go back. Tell us about MJP Accounting and Finance Academy. Industry, if your industry is not listed, you can select other. So if you're not sure of your industry, you can come and select other. And we have quite a number of industries that have been given out to you from the drop down menu. So we shall use education and training. Business structure, select the most relevant option. LCC, limited liability company, isn't shown here because it could be created alongside other businesses type, for example, sole proprietors as a single member. So you come and select, is it a is it a sole trader? Are you a partnership? Are you a private limited company? Or you are a company or a trust? Or you could actually not be sure of what you are. But I think we shall use I'm not sure, so that we continue with our settings. What is your role? Accountant. How many employees? Maybe can use 2 to 5. Um you can come and skip that because we're going to look at it as we continue with our QuickBooks. Can also skip this as well. What do you want to do in QuickBooks? I will tick everything. Send and track invoices, track your VAT, track your bills, receipts and expenses, manage inventory, and track your sales. So you will continue. and that way you will be done setting up your company or setting up your QuickBooks. And from there you can now set up other settings that maybe you need to add company details. But as it loads to be as it loads to see our final preview of how our QuickBooks account has been set, this is how your QuickBooks will look like. So as you can see, this is what it looks like, and we are done setting up our QuickBooks account. Thank you so much for following. I hope you also created your QuickBooks account, and I hope you're following all the steps. Thank you so much for listening and watching, and see you in the next video.